If students ask us, what's the best setting to do your first clinical rotation in? We say inpatient ortho, as you will be able to do a lot of tasks even though you've only been in school for a semester or two. If you end up in the hospital setting, you will probably spend a fair share teaching a patient how to ambulate stairs with crutches. So with this week's mnemonic, you'll never stall at the first step when instructing the patient which leg goes up or down first. Alright, so the mnemonic consists of heaven and hell. So you've got your patient with one leg being partial weight bearing, approaching the steps to ascend the stairs. So which leg goes up first? Or better ask yourself, who goes to heaven? The good ones go to heaven, so the good leg goes first. So the uninjured leg goes up first, the injured leg is still supported by the crutches. Weight is shifted on the good leg and the crutches and injured leg step up. So when they go down the stairs, the crutches step first, then the bad one goes to hell. So the injured leg steps down, being then supported by the crutches before the healthy leg steps down. So remember, the good ones go to heaven and the bad ones go to hell. The good leg steps up first when going up the stairs and the bad leg steps down first when going down the stairs. I said bad in quotations because both legs are good. For now, one is just weaker than the other. Alright, thanks for checking this week's mnemonic. I hope it helped you, and if it did, consider leaving a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Check the video description to learn more about what we have to offer, and I thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Bye.